So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded, but it's been a lot of going on. Obviously, as you guys know, I've had a new build on the way. A 4-digit built motor, new turbo kit, all the jizz and the jazz. So what I would do is, what we're going to do is, we're actually on the way right now to Florida to pick up the car. We have had a little bit issues, but I'll inform you on that later. I have my little co-partner right here in crime. So yeah, we're going away. We have a long drive, as you guys see. Let's see, 22 hours. So yeah, we got a 22-hour drive to get to Florida where the car is at. Further ado, let's go ahead and get into this drive. We got a long one, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so sorry I couldn't record more. Traffic was pretty heavy, so I couldn't give you a scenery on everything. But after fucking forever, we are finally here. Guess that's the car from a different topic right there, but here we go, finally. What's up, bro?
Hey, how you doing?
I cannot complain at all. So here we go, finally, with the new kit. Definitely looks better than the old kit. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And it is not fully tuned yet, just because we have to make sure everything is figured out. And it was a big headache on trying to figure out what was wrong with the car, and I'll explain that in a whole nother separate video. But everything is figured out now for the most part. And it's just a few little tweaks here and there we got to get done, but for the most part, Ryan and Hendrix figured out the problem, and Mr. Ryan or Gabby could start it. You want to guess? Just a little bit. Lazilla driving the car. Yeah, man, it sounds sick. I love it, man. I can't really get into boost because the car is, you know, it's still getting tuned and everything. But here, just listen to this. I can't thank Switchback enough. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. They exceeded my expectations. It's the best feeling ever. And even though the car is not even 100% right now, it still sounds badass. It's very, very, very responsive. It's gonna be a beast. It's gonna be a beast, and I'm gonna have to get used to it. I never thought I would say this, but your boy is gonna be a little scared of this car. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be sketchy. So we are leaving the car and they're gonna go ahead and get it tuned and figured out. But this is it for today. And big shout out to Hendrix and Mr. Ryan. Thank you guys. And we'll be back to pick her up later. So thank you guys for staying tuned. And right now we're about to be on the way back to the house. Once we get to the house, that's gonna be it because I'm super tired. 22-hour drive is no joke. And we're probably gonna have to shoot back down here again. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and I will probably also throw a little clip of big head right here, Lazilla, actually getting to start up the supercar. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.
There you go.
Yo, like natural. There you go. It's perfect size for you too.
So you
So badass.
Steering wheel missed though. All right. So first part of the process: hit the master switch. Power right there.
Used to supercar thing.
I know, right?
Fire in a hole. Ready to fire. Hit it. Yep.